Powers of numbers written in the standard form. If a number written in the standard form is raised to a certain power, we raise in that power only the numerical part before the power of 10, while the powers of 10 multiply. This is just the application of properties of indices explained in tutorial 7.1 in symbols. We have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following on screen. The same procedure is also used for numbers written in standard form when they are raised in a negative power. You just have to be careful when writing the sign of the result. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Example. The side length of a small cube is A, equals 1.84 mm. What is its volume in cubic meters? Volume of a cube is calculated by the formula V equals A, 3. The conversion factor is 1 meter equals 1000 meters. Solution. First, we express the side length in meters. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.3.6, and the end of tutorial 7.3. To continue this chapter, please watch 7.4, Introduction to Surds. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.